Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of creamy pasta salad. Usually you could see this pasta in 5-star restaurant, so why not make it at home? This is so easy to make and taste delicious. Let's see how to prepare this salad. These are the ingredients required to make this salad. To begin with, I'm going to cook the pasta. Boil enough water in a pan and add in 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. Add in salt as needed. Add in 1 cup of penne pasta. Instead of penne pasta, you can also add macaroni pasta. Penne pasta will take 10 to 15 minutes to cook. You can taste and check whether it's cooked or not. The pasta is cooked now and I'm going to remove the water. If you're using macaroni pasta means it will take less time to cook when compared to penne pasta. Pasta is cooked perfectly. Take pasta in a mixing bowl. Next, I'm going to boil the potato. Boil the potato in water and add in salt as required. I have taken 1 potato and it will take 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Remove the water from the potato once it's cooked. Add in half a cup of diced cucumber, half cup of pineapple, 1 boiled potato, and half a cup of finely chopped capsicum. Make sure to cut all the veggies to almost same size. Mix all the ingredients using a spatula. Add in 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a cup of thick fresh cream. I have used eggless mayonnaise and Amul brand fresh cream. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. Mix all the ingredients so that it combines well. You can adjust the quantity of fresh cream and mayonnaise as per your wish. So there's no specific measurement to make the salad. You can have the salad as such, but I like to chill the salad and serve. Keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. This step is optional, but trust me friends, this tastes really good. Delicious cold creamy pasta salad is ready to be served now. Do try this pasta salad and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.